Hello, everyone. Welcome to Principles of Accounting 1101. I am Dr. Donna Barris, and I will be your professor for the fall 2020 semester. A little bit about myself. I have an undergrad in accounting from Brooklyn College, so I am a CUNY alumni. I have an MBA in finance and a PhD in decision science. Until recently, I was a corporate executive at a Fortune 500 company where I handled millions, sometimes billions of dollars worth of assets and portfolios. Most recently, though, I was nominated and selected to be a tax advocacy panel member. And what this is a volunteer position for the IRS, where we're the liaison between the average taxpayer and the IRS, where we go in and we observe the processes and the protocols of the IRS on behalf of the taxpayers, and then we make process improvements back to the IRS on behalf of the taxpayers. So with my education, with my corporate experience, my love of teaching, it gives me a really well-rounded and broad perspective when it comes on to accounting. So in these uncertain times where usually we would be face-to-face or at least hybrid, I wanted for you to have a face in regards to the person that will be behind the screen for the next 16 weeks. So what we're going to do, while things are a little bit fluid, I want to always make sure there's a voice and there is a pathway between you understanding accounting, the fundamentals of accounting, and me partaking and actually passing on knowledge to you. So what we do want to do is, if there's anything that you don't understand through any means, whether it's emails, which I am pretty good about responding to, I definitely want to do a video weekly where you would be able to have a broad synopsis of the different topics we're going to cover, and then you're going to go on and answer the weekly post discussions that I will be posting. So what will be the takeaway for the next 16 weeks? The fundamentals of understanding what is accounting. I'll give you a tip. Here's the thing. Everybody does some form of accounting. It's the language of business. If you've ever touched, if you've ever handled, if you've ever seen, if you've ever exchanged any form of money, you've done some form of accounting. And accounting is a great topic to have a good grasp of. So even though we're remote, I don't want us to miss and for you not to understand the fundamentals, especially for my future accounting majors here. But it doesn't matter who you are and what you are, it's very likely that you've done some form of accounting. So just to reset, I will be your professor. Welcome again. Even though we're in a remote setting, I want you to have a takeaway at the end of the semester. And when I ask you what you've learned, more likely I want, despite a remote setting, my takeaway is that accounting is vital, and I learned how to look, feel, and handle my money differently because I took this class, okay? So we're professing that for the future. But I want to welcome every single one of you. It will be a different semester, but nevertheless, we're still requiring the standard that is for City Tech, okay? So welcome again. All your online discussions are due in a weekly forum, and I will make sure that at least once a week you hear from me in this setting, all right? So you'll hear more. So I will be posting this on our YouTube page, and I recommend everyone, I guess, either subscribe, but I'll make sure we send out the link, okay? So week one's discussion is already up, and I hope to hear from every single one of you because I will be reading it. My future accountants, my future technical advanced individuals, but most importantly, individuals that are just learning and understanding the fundamentals of accounting. So again, welcome, and I'll see you on the other side of the screen in Blackboard. Bye-bye.